How would you feel if you can start reading, writing, spelling, and communicating very fluently in the use of English language within the next 7 days? Wow. You feel great, right? Of course, and it's very achievable with this channel, Learn with Grace 1. Learning how to read and write can be very difficult. The same way learning a new language can also be very difficult. We can all attest to this. If you start learning new language, say you want to learn Japanese or Chinese, or you want to learn Igbo language or the Yoruba language or the Hausa language in Nigeria, we can all attest to that. That is not always an easy journey, right? But it's much more simpler, enjoyable, fun-filled, and understandable with the right educator, right? Who will be able to teach you from the very basic, from the foundation, taking you from the simple to complex stage, from the known to unknown, and also from abstract to concrete. So I've gotten tricks, concepts, strategies, methodologies to make your learning journey very enjoyable and fun-filled. That is why I've organized our lesson into easy to follow playlist, whereby you start from the basic, from the very basic, that is the foundation, where you learn alphabet recognition, alphabet sounds, more emphasis on the alphabet sounds, because once you know the alphabet sound, you're already on a momentum, right? So you master the basic, having strong foundation of the basics, right? If you have a strong foundation, bet me, your learning journey will be very easy and fun. Then you move to the intermediate level and finally progress to the advanced stage, right? So in every level, you see a video very suitable for you, starting from the basics, that is the foundation. Stay with us, learn at your own pace, keep exploring our playlist, because you're learning how to read and write and also speak confidently journey starts here. And every video brings you closer to fluency. So don't just stop at one video. Check the next video. Keep learning every day. Keep learning every day. And I will also give you one advice. Get your writing material ready, right? Whereby you learn and you jot down important points, because one way to learn fast is to have writing material whereby you learn and you note it down and you'll be able to recall it whenever you need this knowledge. So get your writing materials down. It will help you a whole lot. So with this channel, you're already on your path to start learning how to read, spell, and improve your English skill. Keep watching, keep learning, and soon you'll be communicating with confidence. Click the next video and continue your learning journey. Subscribe for free. Bye bye.